So I made a big girl purchase that I wanted to show you guys. So, well, technically it's not a big girl purchase, but you know, it's a little pricey. Let me go ahead and get it. You probably know from the title of this video what it is already, but yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. Like, I'm so excited. I kind of already opened it already, but who cares? I bought the one that comes with a little bag. So we're gonna open this together because, you know, this is for us. It's for us. It's not just for me. Hold on, let me zoom in a little bit. So, zoom out. It says, hello, beautiful. It says, do wash day your way. Get ready to say goodbye to your old routine. Just show it to the camera. Healthier hair. Starts here. Look! I'm so happy I got it. Like, okay. So, this is the vacuum, the machine. Ooh. This is a big old vacuum. And yeah, it just has the book, operating manual, look at the bag. It's quite hefty. Oh my gosh, and it has a little thing so I can carry it on my shoulder. That is cute. And it has a divider. So, I think that's gonna be the end of this video. I am gonna make another video with me obviously using the REVAIR, because why would I buy it and not use it? But I'm probably about to record that video right now. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment if you want, subscribe if you want. I'll be here. And yeah, I'm gonna try to do like this channel with like, I don't know, maybe a video a week. But guys, look at my nails. Like, I did my nails by myself. Look at them. Let me make sure you guys can see. Look at my nails. Like, can you believe I did them by myself? I'm so proud of myself. I'm probably, I don't know, low-key, I want to start doing nails. I want to do hair. I don't know. I want to do everything. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want. Follow along on my journey. I'm also going on a hair growth journey to grow my hair down to my waist. Yes, I am. And yeah, bye.